Alright, so in this video we are gonna just do a quick thing inside the config file here. So inside JWT, this was set to 60 minutes before, and I want to show you the opportunity to change how long time it takes for the token to expire. So we can basically put this onto, for example, 4,000, 40,000 and 32, and that's 28 days. And that's what we're gonna pass it on to here. And then you can basically just go in and it will first refresh and make the token invalid after 4,000 minutes and 320 minutes. So you can always go in and change this. This is in minutes, so that's important to remember. You can't just click like hours behind or something like that. You need to convert it in minutes, and you can basically just go on Google and then just say something like 20 hours in minutes, and you can even do it on the Apple search field here, or you can go in and say 20 days. So you can basically just go in here and basically do it here, or on Google Search Console. Both of them will do it for you. So that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next video.